Cut the cable tie with scissors. Unplug the connector between the motor and the controller. Open the battery lock and remove the battery. Use a 3 mm Allen wrench to remove the controller screws. Take out the controller and unplug the connector. Unplug the communication line and sensor line. The controller is disassembled. Pass the motor wire of the controller through the frame hole. Align the screw hole of the controller with the screw hole of the frame. Tighten the screw with a 3 mm Allen wrench. Connect the sensor wire with the controller. Connect the communication wire with the controller. Put the connected wire into the frame. Tighten the screw. Tighten the discharge seat screw with a 3 mm Allen wrench. Tie the motor wire with a cable tie and cut off the excess cable tie. Finally, install the battery to complete the assembly.